Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Sign in to your Microsoft account at Account. Microsoft. Calm before you start. Use the account tied to your Xbox profile. Ensure your primary payment method is current and can process the upgrade charge. Check your existing subscription type, such as Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass Console or PC. Note that eligible existing months may convert into Game Pass Ultimate credit up to a 36-month limit. Keep your console nearby and signed into the same account for final verification and testing steps. Open Account. Microsoft. Calm and navigate to Services and Subscriptions to find your Xbox subscriptions. Click the Upgrade to Game Pass Ultimate button shown next to your existing subscription entry. Follow on-screen prompts and enter any redemption code or new payment details when requested. The site will display how many eligible months convert and any remaining charge that applies, so confirm before finalizing. Complete the purchase and wait for the confirmation email and on-screen success message indicating your subscription now shows Game Pass Ultimate. After upgrade confirmation, return to Services and Subscriptions on Account. Microsoft. Calm to confirm Game Pass Ultimate is active. On your Xbox console, sign in with the upgraded account and navigate to Settings, then General, then Personalization to set this console as your home Xbox if you plan to share benefits. Open the Xbox app or console library and verify ultimate benefits like cloud saves, EA Play access, and online multiplayer are available. Finally, check email for the purchase receipt and restart the console if any feature fails to appear immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.